everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with the first Vlogmas vlog of the season. I'm going to be doing weekly vlogs. I did this last year and I thought it just worked really well with my schedule, and I'm still posting other videos throughout the week, like on Wednesdays and Fridays I think is what I'm going to do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you like the weekly Vlogmas vlogs, and definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. I feel like I don't really have anything specifically exciting going on this week. I just have a lot of stuff I need to get done. I was just out of town in Colorado, and then it was Thanksgiving, so I feel like I just have a lot of stuff I need to get caught up on. A lot of filming, a lot of editing. I think I'm gonna film a gifts guide video, and then I'm gonna edit the gifts guide video, so that is kind of my plans for today. It is a little bit later. I just got a coffee. I was kind of like in a little bit of a slump, so I needed a bit of a pick-me-up. I got a coffee. If you guys know, you know. My favorite coffee this time of year is the Christmas cookie latte, one of the local coffee shops, the first one of the season, so I'm really excited to taste it. I'm back home. It is time to taste the Christmas cookie latte. It's so good. It's exactly like I remembered. This is literally the best drink. It's so, so good. Just changed into some sweats, and now I'm gonna be getting some editing done. It's already been a bit of a chaotic morning. I was kind of like replying to some emails. I actually had a couple appointments I needed to call and make. Like I needed to make a dentist appointment and an eye appointment. So I was like calling, making some appointments. I called to make my dentist appointment and they were like, we have an appointment in an hour or in like 2 months. So I was like, I guess I'll take the one that's in an hour. So I just had to take a shower and get ready like really super fast. Done with my appointment. My teeth are super clean now. I think while I'm out, I'm just gonna run some errands because I actually have a couple gifts that I need to get. I think I'm gonna make my favorite pasta for dinner, so I just need to pick up the ingredients for that. I got this candle for my sister's boyfriend for Christmas. I just needed kind of like one more thing to get him, and he really likes candles. This one actually smells so good. So it's called Black Cedar, and it has like the crackling wick, which I'm pretty sure he really likes. He always gets my sister candles with these. This smells so good. Like I actually considered getting myself one, but I have a lot of candles that I haven't burned and used yet, so I feel like I should just use the ones I have. And then I got my nail tech these fuzzy socks. I wanted to get her a couple Christmas gifts. I've been going to her since I was 16. I'm 25, so I've been going to her for a long time, and we're like besties. So that's actually all I got at Target. I kind of just like didn't want to be in there. It was kind of busy. Now I just need to get some groceries for this tortellini pasta that I think I'm gonna make tonight. Back home from grocery shopping at Target. I got these little chocolate chip Pillsbury cookies. I saw a TikTok where somebody took these and then like the little Christmas sugar cookies and put them on top, and it looked so good, but they were actually out of the like Christmas themed sugar cookies, so I guess I'm just gonna be making these. I just got everything for the pasta. I got my tortellini, cherry tomatoes, half and half, Parmesan, a baguette. It's like leaking dirt, but I got a little basil plant because they were out of basil. That is my grocery haul. This pasta is so good. A little bit later, I'm watching Bob's Burgers and eating my chocolate chip cookies. They turned out so delicious. I just got a coffee and now I'm getting a sandwich. Honestly, I've just been craving a good sandwich like all week. I've been making like these little wraps like all week and I'm just kind of like sick of it. I was like, I don't really feel like having a wrap today. I've had a busy morning of filming. I've been filming a try-on haul all morning. I got my sandwich, I got my coffee. Now I'm gonna go eat my sandwich and drink my coffee. Still need to film the actual sit down portion of the haul, but I filmed all the try-on clips this morning. I also filmed a couple Instagram reels, and now I need to film the actual sit down portion of the haul and get that completely edited. So that's like my plans for today. And then tomorrow I'm gonna go take some Instagram pictures because it's gonna be a little bit warmer. It's been like pretty cold every single day. And I'm also giving a presentation out of school tomorrow. So I'm just trying to kind of get everything wrapped up for the week. I just finished filming my haul. Now I need to put all of this stuff away. I'm about to go take some Instagram pictures. I haven't really vlogged much today because it's been a really busy day. I edited and uploaded a video this morning and then I went and did a presentation out of school about being a YouTuber and kind of like what it's like as a job. Now I'm gonna go take some Instagram pictures because today is like the one nice day. It's like 30, 40 degrees this whole week and today it's actually 60. I'm going to this little coffee shop to take some pictures. I brought a few different outfits and my mom is taking them. So hopefully I can get some good content. The sun is going down, so I only have like less than an hour. Also, I really need a coffee. I've not had any coffee today and I have the worst headache. I need to get some coffee ASAP. Outfit number 2. On to outfit number 3. I just changed into this green chunky sweater and now we're going into the coffee shop. I'm so excited. I really need coffee. We're gonna take some pictures here. It's a little bit yellow lighting, but we're gonna work with it. My mom is a pro.